What's going on, YouTube fam? So, next time you see this thing right behind me, it's gonna be on coils. That's today's install. So I'm heading over to my parents' house since they have a big garage and all the tools over there to do it. Everybody asked to help pretty much gave me the middle finger. So it's just gonna be pretty much me and my father doing this. So, next time you see this car, it's gonna be much lower than it currently is. So let's get started on that right now.
Lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you. Can make me move. You
wrapping things up here. On the forums, they said what they did to separate the knuckle on the front suspension is they put a quarter in there and then put the bolt in going the opposite direction, and it would separate the knuckle. Well, we tried putting a quarter in between there, and this right here is what happened. It literally punched a hole in the quarter. So naturally that didn't work. Here's the center part. So it didn't work too well for us, but we got it separated by actually using a different, thicker piece of metal. But that was pretty funny. So the suspension install is done. In case you guys are wondering the brand, it is ISC N1 Coilovers. And if you have any questions about why I chose that over, say, KW, let me just answer that real quick. I don't have the money for it. I just bought what was in my budget, and so far, just in the 6 or 7 miles I've driven it, it is absolutely amazing. The ride is so much better than my blown stock suspension, and it takes bumps really well. I thought it was gonna be a lot rougher than it was, but it's not. And right now I do have it sitting at stock height, just waiting for everything to settle. Then I'll choose the height, and sometime next week I'll go get an alignment. And thank you, Cleo, for barking into the camera. This is the ride height I have the rear set to. It actually seems maybe a little bit higher than stock at the moment, but it'll definitely drop down. And this is where I have the front. It's about 1/4 of an inch lower than stock. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. I wanted it to be an instructional video, but unfortunately with just me and my father and my brother filming in and out, but he has a little bit of a physical problem right now, so he can't film all the time. But you at least get the gist of what's going on, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. Together to the top. Let's go.